Hi everyone! In this video we will look at the visualization of the relationship between two variables. In some cases, in your dataset you will have variables which are measured on an interval scale. For example, in this study, when a psychiatrist wanted to see whether there is any relationship between exam anxiety and exam performance, whether more anxiety boosts your performance or not. So as you can see in our variable view, both variables are measured on an interval scale, so it is a set scale. The gender of the participants was also measured. We have males and females, and also the time spent on revision before the exam was measured. So if you would like to visualize the relationship between these two variables, you should go to Graphs, Chart Builder. We checked our variables, so we click OK. And then from the gallery, we choose Scatter or Dot. And this is the first one is Simple Scatter, so you double click on it. I already have the variables, but for the sake of this teaching video, I will take them back. So our dependent variable, which is the outcome of the study, is exam performance. And the independent variable, which is the exam anxiety, that goes to the x-axis. So here, as compared to the previous videos where we were plotting means, here we plot values, so all the data points will be visible on the scatter plot. Okay, so make sure that in the element properties, you can check it here if it doesn't come out automatically, so you click on element properties and you have to make sure that it is set for value. And then everything you change in the element properties have to be applied. Okay, we close this, and the only thing we have to do is to click on OK. Here we are. In the output, you can see a nice scatter plot. Here on the y-axis we have exam performance and the x-axis exam anxiety. The first thing you can see is that the data nicely goes together in some kind of tendency, and this part of the box is empty, so there were no low anxiety participants with low exam performance. If you would like to see how these two variables go together, then you can edit the chart here and add a trend line. So what you do is double click and the chart editor opens up, and here you add a linear line. So you click on add fit line at total, you add a linear line, and here you are. What you do is you close the editor because, as you can see, it opens up here. So it shows the relationship between exam anxiety and exam performance. You can see that the relationship is adverse. So the lower the anxiety is, the better the performance is. And it is also explanatory, so the relationship between these two is 0.194 that we will try to interpret later. You can also see the same relationship but plotted for males and females. For that you go to your chart builder again and you choose the second option, which is the group scatter. So you double click on it. You already have your variables here and the biological sex of the participants, which is males and females, come to the set color part. Okay, everything is fine. You click OK. Here you are, the data set as split by males and females. We can also add a trend line, but instead of adding one line, we can add a line for males and females. Let's do that. It's gonna be linear, and here you are. So as you can see, for males, the line is steeper. That means the relationship is stronger between exam anxiety and exam performance. And here you can see that the number is bigger, which also indicates the relationship. And you can also plot 3D versions of these relationships. So if, for example, you would like to add the time spent on revision, but as I said in previous videos, it is extremely difficult to interpret these graphs and not very much recommended to do it. So we will not talk about 3D plots in this video. That's it.